everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And yes, we're going to talk about how to get paid daily using Cashapp, the Cashapp system. And I'm going to talk about a little bit about what it is. But not only that, I'm going to share some information with you. You want to stay till the end because we're going to be holding a live training tomorrow where I'll go over how I've been earning daily with this system and how you can duplicate and get the same results. First, I want to go over why I love this system and what's so good about it, especially if you need something that's newbie friendly that actually allows you to start earning consistently within the online space. For those that don't know, my name is Amanda and I've been online since 2015. I started earning a full-time income in 2016, but not only that, teaching others how to do the same. There's so many people that come into the online space and they really don't know what to do, or they are concerned with earning because they have failed in the past. And what I like to do is help people to overcome that, because I was there in 2015 struggling to make money online. But in 2016, when I had mentorship and started my 90-day blitz, which we're going to talk about tomorrow, it was life-changing. Okay. In the description below is going to be the information for the live webinar. So all you have to do is register for tomorrow. It'll have the time that we're going to start. All you have to do is click the button and you'll see me live, where I'll be sharing with you the information about this system, but not only that, how to utilize it the right way. So what you're looking at here is the website. And what I've done is I created this website because a lot of people think that they have to have Cash App in order to use the system. And that's not true. Okay. If you have any third-party payment processor, you can use the system to collect unlimited $39 payments. And what I love about this is that you pay it once and you get to earn unlimited 100% payouts using this system. So this website that you're looking at is going to also be in a description below, where you can just go through the website and get an idea of what it looks like and what you're going to be doing. Now, this system is going to give you the reseller license, which means you're going to get a duplicated website, replicated website, but it's going to have your information on it so people can pay you directly. Right now, what you're looking at is my results. These are my results that came in from people who have signed up so far. I've been averaging anywhere between 5 to 7 payouts daily since I've started using the system. And what I love is that when you sign up, you're going to get the traffic that you need in order to be successful. Now, what a lot of people want to know, the traffic, how does it work? They're going to give you a couple of different options. You can use a safe list or you can use solo ads. I recommend safe list, and I'm going to talk about that in tomorrow's training on why. Okay. What you want to do is have as many eyeballs as possible. And the easiest way to do this is either using social media or using email marketing with safe lists. And what I love is that it's pretty much a copy and paste. You're going to be just putting this information, sending it out to your safe list. If you decide to go to the Facebook route, you're going to be using a software that's going to spit out your information to people who are in the affiliate marketing space. Okay. So what do you get for a one-time payment? If you already have the system and you would like this website, all you have to do is scroll down here and pay the $29.97. Okay. This is going to give you this website with your Venmo information, your Cash App information, your PayPal or your Zelle information. Okay. So you can use that information, whether you're in the US or not, to have one of these replicated websites. Okay. So for the $39 one-time payment, you're going to get the safe list and solo ad buyers traffic resources. And it's more than enough. We're going to go over how many to use and how often to use it. For this system, you're going to need about an hour to an hour and a half a day to spend online Monday through Friday. Okay, that's what you're going to need. Now, you're going to also get the email copy that you're going to be sending out, because if you're not using social media, you're going to be using emails. Now, a lot of people don't know how to create an email. Don't worry about it. You're going to get the email ad copies that you're going to send to your safe list. Okay, you're going to get the fail proof fast start instructions. So as soon as you sign up, you're going to get an email that's going to have the next step, the steps on how to get your replicated website, and also the information on how to get the traffic resources. Okay. And then again, you're going to get the reseller to be able to use the system over and over and over again. Basically, once you have the website, it's your business, it's your baby. You can basically do what you want to do with it. But what we love about this is that this website is going to allow you to start earning day and night, 24 hours, 7 days a week. So a lot of time I wake up to payments, and a lot of times I go to sleep to payments because I have this constantly running, utilizing traffic. And I'm going to teach you how to do the same thing, because if you have traffic running constantly without you having to do much but an hour to 2 hours worth of work per day, that's how you start to build consistency within your business. But not only that, that's how you start getting paid daily using the platform. Okay. So some people want to know, do I need an autoresponder to get started? I highly recommend it. If you do not want to use an autoresponder, you can use a Gmail account. And tomorrow we're going to be going over that as well, why you should use one or the other. Follow-up is important. People need to see things more than once in order for them to make a buying decision. Okay, so we're going to talk about that as well. Your website, when you decide to get this website, is going to have this getting started button here. If you are going to be using Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, or Zelle, it's going to have that information here for people to pay you first. Now, once they pay you, they are going to then get a customized website, and all they have to do is click here. And they're going to get this replicated website that they can start promoting using social media, SafeList, or solo ads. And we're going to talk about all three and the ones that I recommend so that you can get the fastest results possible. Okay. So what do you need to get started? Two things. You need a payment, a place to go to receive payments. These are third-party payment processors. The next thing you're going to need is a Gmail account, because you need a place where you can send out the emails if you decide to use that. If not, you're going to need social media, and it'll be one or the other that you can use. If you decide to do both, you're just going to heighten your results, right? It's going to just work faster for you. So here is basically the steps, and then what to do once you pay for the $29.97 website. Okay. So tomorrow is this training, and what I'm going to do is just pull up the information so you can take down this information about the site, about the webinar tomorrow, and you can actually join the webinar tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so this is the here is the banner for tomorrow. It's an upcoming training session. We are going into our peak season, which is in September, and then again in January. If you want to make the most and really start earning from home full time, this is the time to get in, because September is right around the corner, and also January is right around the corner. So you want to be ready. Register here at followup2cash.com. Again, this information will be in the description below to sign up for the webinar tomorrow. And it's going to be the 28th tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you missed this webinar, that's fine. You can still click on the link below to get more information about this system. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. I'm excited to share this information. I just feel like over the years, people have made it so easy to make money online. All you have to do is be ready to tap in and stay consistent. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, guys. Have a great night. Stay inspired and stay blessed.